guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the June 2019 Boxycharm box. Yep, I got it in today and I ran to do this video. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box. It costs $21 a month. You receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz. And the box is valued at least $100. Once you become a charmer, you'll be eligible to get limited edition boxes such as the limited edition skincare box and Boxy Luxe. So let's take a look and see what I got in my new Boxycharm box. First off, let's take a look at the theme. It's Boxycharm Getaway. That's our theme for June. Okay, and first of all, as I look at my box, let me show you what it looks like once I open it. As you can see, I received the Tarte Palette. There was an option of either the Tarte Palette or the Face Palette, which had a highlighter, 2 highlighters, 2 bronzers, and 2 blushes. But let's take a look at my Tarte Palette. It's one of the Rainforests of the Sea, and this one is called Be You Naturally. And that's the name of the palette, Be You Naturally. Let's see if I can open this box. And this, oh, it's beautiful. It looks much prettier in person. It's got purple, greens, and blues, as you can see, and it's metallic. It's very, very pretty. And this palette is supposed to have 4 mattes, 4 shimmers. Let's see. Ooh, very nice. As you can see, it has a total of 8 shades. And like I said, 4 are matte and 4 are shimmers. This is more of a natural palette to do natural eye looks, but you can also boost it up to have a more dramatic look for nighttime. And it has cool tones and warm tones in it. Beautiful palette. It has that Amazonian clay in it that's supposed to be really easy to use. So that is my first product. Second product is the lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics. It's from her Lemonade collection. And these are supposed to be moisturizing and not sticky. I received Peach Tea. It's a beautiful container. And when you open it up, I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's a beautiful shade of peach. And this is the shade of it here, Peach Tea. And the other shade you can possibly get is Strawberry Lemonade. Our third product is by Touch and Soul. It's the Prime Essence. And this is what it looks like. It didn't have a box. It came just like this. And this is made with calendula extract. And you put it on before you put your makeup on, and it helps your makeup to stay longer, and it also helps to tighten up your pores. I used it actually today before I put on my makeup. And that's the 3 products we knew about. The 4th product I received is from Steve Laurent, and it's the, let's see what this is. It's the Cotton Candy highlighter. Let me open this up and you can see what it looks like. It has like a plastic on it. Okay, and It's a little plastic container. It's a little plastic container, and this is what it looks like opened up. Now, comparing this container to the other one we received by Pretty Vulgar. Was it Pretty Vulgar? Yes. The container is very cheap, I find, on this one. I don't care for this container very much, but it's about the product. So, ooh, it's like one of those jelly-ish type highlighters. It feels wet. And let me put a little on the back of my hand. Oh, look how beautiful. That's it right there. I can actually put some on my face and we can see how it looks. Oh, that's pretty. You can use a brush to do this also. I just wanted to dab on a little bit to show you. But it's a pretty highlighter. But it's like those cream to powder type highlighters. Let's do this side. Very pretty. Very nice. Very pretty. Okay, and like I said, it's called Cotton Candy. Doesn't have any smell. And the last products in my box are from Haru Haru. It's a Wonder Macai Berry Antioxidant Mask, and it's got a trio pack. I guess these are 3 different face masks. And it's got haiku berry in it, and it's supposed to moisturize your skin. It helps with inflammation also. So these should be very nice. And he gave us 3 of them. So we actually have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items if you count these as 3 masks. So if you add up the total of all my items, these were $9 a piece. I would think it says $9 total. So I would say I'm gonna go with that. $9 total. Maybe they're 3 a piece. This highlighter cost $26. The Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss was $17, and the Touch and Soul was $23, and the Tarte Palette sells for $36. And I added these up before, and we have a total of $111, which is well over the $100 value. And I had variation 6. So what do you guys think about my box this month? I'm satisfied. I like the box. I like the colors in the palette. I think having some 4 mattes, you can work well with 4 mattes. And I like the brown shades. I love brown shadows for every day. I have plenty of colors that I can use to put a pop of color with them. I'm very satisfied with my box. So what do y'all think about it? Variation 6. And because I love you guys so much, I have an extra April Boxycharm. In this Boxycharm we have the mascara, the black liner, some brushes, the Pure Cosmetics palette, and also one of the loose highlighters from Artist Couture. If you're interested in winning this prize, these are the rules. First, you need to be subscribed to my channel, set to public. Second, you need to subscribe to my other social media sites, which are, and I'll have them all listed below this video, which are Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You need to watch this video entirely to the end, and that's it. So if you want to be in this giveaway, if you already have it and don't want it, that's fine, I understand. At the end of your comment, which you're going to be commenting for the other giveaway anyways, put I love Boxy.
There you go.
If you put I love Boxy at the end of your comment, you'll be part of this giveaway. This will go on until Saturday. Saturday will be the end, Saturday at midnight. So whoever watches it from today until Saturday and puts I love Boxy at the end of their comment will be in the running. I will randomly pull a name and you will win it. Sunday I'll either put up a message, a video, or I might even come live, you don't know. So if you're interested in that, that is for that. And remember, we have that 10,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway going on. Every rule applies for that. You know, we're still going to have this video as one of the videos. So that's it, my darlings. Thank y'all all for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And until I see you guys again, bye. Mwah!